So now let's talk about inserting records into a table, right? So the basic SQL statement that you're going to use is right here. So insert into table, so whatever the table name is, and you're going to say what columns you want values inserted into. So it's important to understand here, you don't have to insert into every single column, so therefore you don't have to reference every single column. So let's say, again, you're looking for name, age, and size. Those are the different columns. Maybe you just want to put name in, or maybe you just want to put name and size in, that type of deal. Maybe you don't know the age, right? So here, what you're going to say, insert into the table, and you say what the column 1, column 2, and column 3. What columns do you want to insert values into? You close the parentheses, then you say values, and then basically these index back to the column. Right? So if you simply have name and size here, this would be the value for name and size. If you simply have name and age, this would go to name and age, right? So index 0 references the 0 column, index 1 references the 1 column, and index 2 references the second column, right? So 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, if you're looking at this as an index, and we talk about things a lot in programming languages, you actually start with the 0 number instead of 1. So anyways, right, so we have values. So this value is going to go to column 1, this value is going to go to column 2, and this value is going to go to column 3, whatever columns you defined here. Now, when you plug in a value, anything that's going to be a string needs to be put in within quotation marks. So Bob, small, words are going to go within quotation marks. Numbers, 12, 12.12, right, whatever, that does not have to be put within quotation marks, so you can just put that as a number there, and of course you end with the semicolon, and that is how you insert a record into your table. Now if we take a look at this example here, so we're going to be in the terminal, we're going to do SQLite 3, and we're going to go to a new example.db file. So delete your old example.db file, use the new one. Once you've done that, do create a table people and do name and age just to make life easier, right? Semicolon. Insert into people, name, age, values, Timmy within quotation marks, comma 33. So it's Timmy, age of 33. You can then do select all from people and you'll see Timmy and we'll see 33. Right? Then again, if all you want to do is insert something like just the name. So you can do name and age here. We just know a person's name. We don't know what their age is. We can do insert into, again, people, name. So for the name column, nothing else. Values, you still have the plural on the end of that, and then we simply do Sue within quotation marks, so Sue will go to name. If we do select all from people, we'll see Timmy is 33 and Sue does not have an age. And so that is all there is to inserting records into a table.